As I'm bringing my object into my model into Twinmotion, I'm going to focus first on adding objects, some furniture, decorations, etc. And I'm going to focus on choosing between Sketchfab, Twinmotion items, 3D Warehouse, learning how to scale those, changing the materials of those, and separating objects. So now that I have my Twinmotion open and I'm able to bring in my file, you can see that my ground is going right through the middle. So I'm going to select my starting ground, and I'm just simply going to bring it down all the way like this until it's touching the edge of my building. Again, I'm going to be focusing on the interior, so at this point the exterior or the ground won't matter too much for now. So as you can see, I have my model, which is brought in from SketchUp. And I guess I'm going to focus on bringing objects. First thing I want to analyze is the objects that came in. I see that this one's not really working for me. I can see that everything else looks good except for this. I'm going to go back to SketchUp. Right, in this case, I'm going to go back to SketchUp. I did create a scene that I can go interior so that I can actually see things easier before without having to go in now that I've created that wall. I'm going to get this and I'm going to hide it. I could actually delete it, but now I'm just going to simply hide it. I'm going to click sync so that that gets disappeared in Twinmotion. So now I'm going to look at my scene. A couple of things. I'm going to start looking for some objects that can make the scene a little bit more interesting. So there is different places you can find. We've already explored the 3D Warehouse, so one option is going back to 3D Warehouse and looking for lamps or whatever you need to find, which you've already explored in the past. But now let's explore Sketchfab.